Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. So today is a very long day for me. I'm actually traveling to the Dominican Republic and I'm so excited. So I was like, why not try this new charcoal whitening powder? Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. This is a teeth whitening powder. This is what I'm talking about. I'm sure you guys have seen this probably all over YouTube and maybe Instagram, Facebook. A lot of people are using this to whiten their teeth instantly. So I'm going to try that today. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys and let you guys know if this is worth buying or not. So it cost me around $25 worth of brush. I'm going to link it down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this. So now let's try this. So the first thing we gotta do obviously is take a before picture. So let me do that right now. I'm gonna take a picture of my teeth. So this actually didn't even bring instructions, so I don't even know for how long I should brush my teeth with this, but I'm just gonna do about 2 to 3 minutes and see if that makes a difference. So this is what the brush looks like. Very like hard, but let's see. I've seen online that you have to wet the brush and then put the powder and then brush your teeth. So let's try that. All right, so I wet the brush. I'm going to dip it. There you go. Oh my god. Ew, I look so ugly. Whoa, this tastes really bad. So I'm gonna put a timer for 3 minutes, okay? Okay. All right, so we are done. I don't know if you can see my teeth. They actually look pretty white, but I had to go in with my regular toothbrush and toothpaste and brush my teeth again because some of the black powder is still like right there, like kind of like in between my teeth and stuff. So I really had to kind of like go in with my other toothpaste and toothbrush. But other than that, they look pretty white. Let me take a after picture and compare the two, okay? Also make sure to do this with no makeup on because it gets all over your face and it's gonna completely ruin your makeup. So definitely no makeup on. I mean, now that I look at the before and after pictures, they're not that drastic. So I don't know how I feel about this. Maybe I should have done it for a little bit longer, like maybe for like 5 minutes or something. It didn't make them pretty white though, but you can't really see the difference in the before and after like that. Anyways, do I recommend this? I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments down below if you see a big difference. I don't really see a huge difference, honestly. But I mean, it's nice because it does whiten your teeth a little bit. Maybe after you do this like 2 or 3 times is when you see the big difference, you know what I mean? So overall, I kind of don't know how I feel about this. I want to say that I like it, but at the same time, when I see the before and after pictures, it's not like a huge difference. But if you use this like every other day, I feel like in a week, your teeth are gonna be beautiful. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. It was a little bit different, just testing something out for my teeth to make it whiter. And I'll see you guys in my next video, and stay tuned because I'm going to be uploading and filming a lot of videos in the Dominican Republic, a lot of traveling vlogs. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye bye.